When I was at the NEC, I met a couple of our subscribers, lovely couple, from the Aging, let me check it, make sure I get it right, Aging Adventurers. I've been following them for quite some time, and they recognised us and I recognised them, so it was really great to meet up. And she was telling me about a new camera she'd got, and it sounded really great. It sounded right up my street. It was a small little camera, and she started vlogging. She's now got her own vlog channel called Page Family Vlog. So I'd like to give a shout out to Julie, because it's a really good channel. I like to follow her now. And so I started doing a bit of research on this camera. I thought, oh, this is really exciting, just a camera. And the more researching I did, the more I liked it. So I said to Rich, we've been selling off a lot of stuff on eBay because of moving, and I said to him, could I have some money to buy this camera? I thought it would be ideal for me. So he agreed to it, so that was all great. And he said, oh, did I know that Argos sold it? So I looked on Argos, I looked at the reviews, and some woman had sent it back and said it doesn't even work with her phone. And much to my dismay, it doesn't work with an old Samsung phone. So I couldn't use it with mine. So then I thought, oh, I'm so disappointed about it. So I asked around, and my son said, oh, I know someone that's got an iPhone for sale if you want to buy it. So I said, yeah, I'll go for that. So he brought it over, and to cut a long story short, the battery was no good. Richard already got a really old S4. Is it an S4, Rich? Oh, he doesn't know. But anyway, I think it was an S4 phone. So I thought, well, we'll upgrade him, and I'll just pinch it, because he never uses it anyway. So we went off to the town, got a new SIM for it. That was a result, because instead of £7, they said they'd let us have it for £5 a month. So I thought that was great, having a real good bargain. And then we had to go off to Apple. So the whole day was spent on this phone. We went off to Apple, and for £45 they gave us a new battery, or fitted a new battery, and we got it home. And so of course I've been waiting for this lovely camera to arrive, and guess what? Here it is, my baby. And I'm just about to open it so you can share with the opening. If I can get it open with my hand, you know what I'm like. We'll have a go. Oh, so excited. Don't expect a review today though, because I need to practice with it. But I haven't even cheated and looked inside, so I don't really know what's in the box. Well, I do know what's in the box, but I haven't opened it to see what's in the box. So, oh, this is the case it comes in. It's got a little I don't know what you call it, clasp, but on the side. Look how tiny it is. Look at this. Fantastic. Look at the size of it. Oh my goodness. I don't really know what to do with it now. And what's this in here then? Let's just look, see what else comes in the box. I should imagine this is all the leads. Excuse me faffing around. I'm so excited. Oh, it looks like instructions. So I'll have to read that. Oh, it looks a bit thick. Oh, I hate instructions. Oh, look, a lot of it looks foreign, so I don't think there's many pages in England, in English. This is a quick start guide. If that's a quick start guide, oh my goodness. No. Oh no, again, there's a lot of foreign languages in there. Oh, that looks like a strap. Is it called a strap, Rich? Yeah, strap for. And this looks like charger. Would you say that was? He's nodding his head behind the camera. So
you should have a couple more bits in there as well.
Where? In there? Have you opened it? I think he's cheated and opened it. Can wait for me to open it. Oh yeah, there's a couple of. I won't open it. Don't know if you can see. There's
Not down there.
Not there. There.
Yeah.
There's a couple of bits that fit in there. You'll have to tell me whether you can see this or not, Rich, because you've got the camera. Dare I turn it on? Have you turned it on then?
No, I think you've got to take that bit out of the top.
This bit?
I don't know.
What does it say? There's a little arrow on it. Oh yeah. This bit?
What?
This bit's got a little thing on it.
I don't know. Read your instructions.
And instructions don't really get on. That's just a protection thing. And then there's a little thing there. Don't know what that's for. Do you reckon that's the battery? Can't do it.
I don't know. Might be the cover that goes over
Oh
the
yeah,
screen.
that's the screen. Oh yes. Oh yes, that's the screen. Let's see if it's got any power in it. Oh, there's the screen. There's the camera. And I don't know how to turn it off now, so I'll have to get on, and I think you have to, what's the word? Put it into the iPhone and register it. So yeah, really looking forward to doing it. So I better read the instructions now and leave you to it, and I'll do another video in a few days time and see what you think of it. Okay, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
Don't you think you ought to tell people what it is?
Oh, it's called I'm so excited about it, I forgot about telling you what it's called. It's called a DJI Osmo Pocket. And I'm going now because I'm too excited to stay. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one. Keep smiling. Bye.